there she is. And as you saw in the video, there is a galvanized steel wire in the brim performing and shaping. So if you made a size big enough, then you could have left the brim flat, or you can, you know, really accentuate the curl, whatever you want. But I just wanted to show you, this is the hat that I was wearing in the beginning whenever I was acting a fool. There's obviously no steel brim in there, and it was really fleshy part of the hide, so it sort of just flaps about. So this is the first one that I made. This is the second one that I made. And after the second one, the only real improvement that I needed to make is, as you can see, let's see if I can, the stitching here, there's no padding in there, so that gets a little rough. And the solution to that is this. So this is just some elastic band that I got in bulk. And this should do very well for moisture wicking and just really keeping the retention up there. I started, you know, just sort of practicing on a scrap piece. So just to be clear, if any of you do buy the finished product, you buy the actual hat, you will have an elastic band in there, and you will have the steel wire brim. However, my goal with this was to sell the PDF file. So I'm going to have a small, medium, large, and extra large hat size PDF file, and you can buy them all individually, or you could buy the set of all of them in case, you know, you mess up. The galvanized steel wire is relatively cheap. I would recommend putting it in there because, as you can see, you know, it makes it really nice and bendable. Here's a quick disclaimer that I did not mention in the previous video. When you purchase the PDF template, there will not be any pre-marked holes. This is for one main reason, namely that I don't know what size pricking iron you have, and I don't know to what degree all of you vary in the size pricking irons that you own, and I don't want to have to make you buy a new pricking iron in order to make the cowboy hat. To sidestep this problem, all you would do is cut out the pieces like you normally would, but before you punch the holes, glue all of the edges together like I did in the video, follow the steps that I did in the video, and then punch the holes with whatever pricking iron size you have personally. So that way you're not punching too many, you're not punching too little, and you don't have to purchase anything extra in order to make the cowboy hat. Just wanted to get that out of the way so that way you don't think that I'm selling you an incomplete product or anything like that. It just seems smarter and easier on everybody's part to sell them like this. The link is in the description. It will direct you to my website where you can buy the PDF template. It's discipledesign.com. Thank you for watching, and here are some aesthetic shots of the hat.